In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Zendesk. Exporting tickets from Zendesk to a CSV file is a straightforward process that greatly enhances your ability to analyze and manage customer support interactions. Whether you're looking to create reports, share data with your team, or simply back up your system, exporting data is an essential task. Let's walk through the steps together and ensure you know exactly how to accomplish this with ease and confidence. First, you'll need to navigate to a specific view within Zendesk. Views are essentially lists of tickets that have been organized based on specific criteria that you or your colleagues have set up. This is your starting point for exporting the data you're interested in. It's crucial to ensure that the view contains all the tickets you want to export. Take a moment here to double-check the filters applied to this view, verifying that they align with the information you seek to export. Once you're satisfied with the view's configuration, it's time to move to the next step. Next, you'll select the tickets. In this step, Zendesk allows flexibility in how many tickets you can choose to export. You might want to export all visible tickets in this view, or just a select few, depending on your needs. Simply click to check off the tickets that are relevant to you. Depending on ticket volume, this step could be a breeze or require a bit of patience as you ensure accuracy. After you've made your selection, your next focus should be choosing the Export to CSV option. Keep in mind, the CSV format is particularly versatile, usable in spreadsheet applications like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, providing you with the ability to perform comprehensive analyses or create visually compelling graphs and charts. Click the Export to CSV button, and with that, you've initiated the export process. Once completed, the result will be a zip file. Inside this compressed folder, you'll find a basic CSV file, which contains all the fields from your selected tickets, like ID, subject, requester, status, and more. It's worth noting that while the default fields are included, the exact data you get may vary depending on how your Zendesk system is set up. Understanding your CSV file's structure now is beneficial in making the data work for you later on. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to exporting data from Zendesk like a pro. This process not only aids in seamless customer support operations, but also empowers you with the data insights necessary to tailor your service strategy. Thank you for joining me today, and happy exporting.